Good morning, children. Already I discussed about the lesson crop production and management. I am repeating it once again what we discussed in the earlier class. All living organisms need food. Food is obtained from plants and animals. How plants gives us food? By giving fruits and vegetables. All food materials we are getting from plants. Plants prepare their food themselves by using the process called photosynthesis. And we need food in large quantity. So we have to do product them. We have to produce them. For the production we have to do crop. What is meant by crop? Crop is nothing but gaining the same in the large quantities. What is meant by crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place in a large quantities is called crop. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place are called crop. Generally, two types of crop productions we are doing in our agriculture. In India, we are doing two types of crop production. One is Rabi crop production, second one is Kharif. What is meant by Rabi season? The season which takes place October and November, and it is harvested in the March and April months. And then what is meant by Kharif season? The season which takes place means we are doing farming. That's in the month of June and July, and it is harvested in the month of October and November. So two types of seasons are there in our India. Now which season is going on? Kharif season is going on. Rabi season needs less quantity of water, but whereas Kharif season needs plenty of water. So that's why it depends on the monsoon rains. So it is also called as a Kharif season, is also called as a rainy season. Rainy season. It depends on the rainy season. So it is a rainy season plantation. Kharif season can be called it as a rainy season plantation. Whereas Rabi season is a winter season plantation. Okay, now to make the process, that is agriculture, to develop that in large amounts of, and it should be speeden that process, we are doing some practices. Those are called agriculture practices. What is meant by agriculture practices? The agriculture can be do very fast methods. Okay. So in this period of time, we can produce large amount of quantities of production. So paddy, India is depending on the paddy means rice, pulses and different types of materials like cotton, jute, so many. In the large amount we need. So we should do some agriculture practices. Those are preparation of soil and sowing and adding manure and fertilizers. Next one, irrigation and protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. So the first process is preparation of soil. The soil should be loose, means the top layer of the soil gives to the plants nutrients. Okay, to get the nutrients plants depend on the top layer of the soil. So it should be loose because it can absorb the air, water, minerals, whatever getting from the surroundings, it can absorb easily if the top layer of the soil is loose. That's why preparation of the soil must takes place to get a speed process. Okay, so preparation of the soil. So the soil should be loosened. And what is soil contains actually? Soil contains organic matter, minerals, water, and whatever the air present in the surroundings, soil also contains. If the space is loose, then the soil also contains air into it. Okay, so the soil must be loose. So preparation of soil contains, what preparation of soil contains? It contains organic matter, and humus. What is meant by humus? Humus means the dead of decaying the humus contains the decaying of dead particles. What is humus? Preparation of the soil takes place by losing it. Why we are losing the soil? Because if you losing the soil, it will get space. It will get space into it. The top layer of the soil contains all nutrients into it, which is essential to the plants. जो जमीन का ऊपर का तल रहता है वो थोड़ा सा लूज होना चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा पकड़ने से मिट्टी हमारे हाथ में आना चाहिए, वैसा रहना है। वो ऊपर का जो जमीन तल रहता है ना, वो वैसा लूज होना चाहिए। Then only we can easily give the nutrients to the plants. So the soil contains humus into it. Humus means the decaying dead particles are called humus. The decaying dead particles. And also soil contains microbes. What is meant by microbes? Very tiny, very small living organisms are called microbes. We can't see with our naked eye. हम साधारण से ऐसा नहीं देख सकते। We can see these microbes by using electron microscope. Small living organisms, very small living organisms को microbes कहते हैं। Which also helps the growth of the plant. And one example I can give you, earthworms. How earthworms help the plant's growth? Because it will loosen the soil. So that's why earthworms are called as a farmer friends. Because it helps the farmers by loosening the soil. So preparation of the soil is also takes place by ploughing. Ploughing is the process in which the soil will be loosened by using plough. Okay. Next, sowing. Sowing is nothing but we need to drop seeds with a proper distance. You already seen आप सब देखते होंगे गांव में प्लांटेशन कैसे करते हैं, मतलब जो दाना डालते हैं ना, पौधे लगाने में पहले दाना डालते हैं ना, उस सीड कहते हैं ना, उस सीड कितना डिस्टेंस में डालते हैं, एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं सोइंग। नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस इज सोइंग। बिफोर सोइंग the implementations of agriculture should be done. Before sowing, we should plough the soil first. So we need agriculture implements. Those are plough and cultivator, hoe. These are called as agriculture implements. First of all, we are discussing about the plough. It is used for ploughing or tilling the soil. Okay. So the main parts of the plough are plough shaft and plough shade. This will be attached to the beam of a bullocks. Then it will help to grind the soil. It will be help to ploughing the soil. It will be goes towards the earth. It will drilling the earth. So like that plough is going on. Plough goes.